If you're looking into GitPack AI and wondering whether this just released AI software is actually worth your time, this review is going to save you hours of testing. I've used hundreds of AI tools in digital marketing, and GitPack AI caught my attention fast. But not for the reasons you might expect. Stick around because there are a few hidden features and a couple of gotchas that most people miss. You can try GitPack AI completely free from the first link below, and if you're serious about finding the right AI tools, you'll want to see why GitPack might be the most practical release this month. Here's what you really need to know. First, GitPack AI isn't trying to be flashy. It's built for marketers, creators, and developers who care about speed and results. The interface is fast, minimal, and functional. No bloated dashboards. It loads faster than ChatGPT and feels more lightweight than Jasper or Copied AI. Under the hood, it connects directly to your GitHub and other dev tools. But the magic? It's not just for coders. GitPack gives you AI-powered workflows for SEO tasks, content repurposing, email drafts, product descriptions, ready to deploy instantly. No templates, no setup. Now here's something most people overlook. GitPack's automation layer. This is where it gets seriously powerful. You can chain prompts together and create custom flows that do research, write content, and even organize it, all without needing to touch a single line of code. It's like Zapier for AI prompts, and it works insanely well for building entire content funnels automatically. Another standout, it doesn't lock you into one AI model. You can switch between GPT-4, Claude, Mistral, and others, depending on your use case. That flexibility alone makes GitPack AI worth testing if you're doing client work or optimizing workflows across teams. But here's the kicker, GitPack has real-time collaboration. If you're working in teams, you can co-edit prompts, share workspaces, and track changes live. That's something most AI tools completely miss. It feels like Notion and ChatGPT had a productivity baby. One heads up though, because it's just launched, some features feel like V1. You'll find the occasional UI bug or small glitch when building complex workflows, but updates are rolling out fast, and the roadmap looks solid. Now, if you're wondering whether GitPack AI is actually better than all the hype tools out there, well, that's what makes this interesting. It's not trying to replace them. It's quietly becoming the infrastructure for power users who want more control, more speed, and fewer limitations. So if that sounds like something you want to be part of, try GitPack AI for free using the first link in the description. And here's a pro tip. There's a secret feature hidden in the settings that lets you import your past AI prompts and history from other tools. Once you activate that, your entire workflow upgrades instantly. If you're still watching, you're exactly who this tool was made for. I've tested thousands of AI softwares, and I've listed my top recommended tools, including GitPack, in the description below. They're all free to try, and they work incredibly well for marketers, entrepreneurs, and creators. Catch you in the next one.